Just a quick video to show you how you can actually compute the shape of the parabola that you plan to use for a grill or an outdoor cooker, or for whatever use that you want to have for your parabola. Now, one thing to remember about a parabola is that the shape is determined by the focus or the focal length. And how far away that focus is from the center of the parabola is going to determine the shape of the function itself. Remember that the formula for a parabola is f of x or y is equal to x squared over 4a, where a is the focal length that you're going to use for the parabola. So for example, if your focal length was 10, let's compute f of x for 20 inches from the origin of the parabola. Well, you know that 20 squared is 400, and then 400 divided by 4 times 10, or 40, is going to give you 10, or 10 inches. So 20 inches away from the center of the parabola, the height of the parabola's wall is going to be 10 inches. And so that's going to give you the shape of a dish that looks just like this. You can use this list box control to ascertain shapes of parabolas using different focal lengths in this simple list box user interface. So here you go, free calculator, pretty easy to use to compute the parabola. If you want to see the actual x and y coordinates, you can select show table, and it will show you what the table is going to look like for all of the numbers, all of the x and y values, so that you can actually plot out a parabola of different focal lengths. So again, for example, if you now have selected a focal length of 17, you want to select a 10-inch focal length, you can do that, or a 5-inch focal length, even for a smaller parabola, or a large one at 20 inches. You can see what's going on here. If you hit print preview, then that will tell you that it's going to print in 2 pages, and you get a preview showing you that here's the first half of the page, and there's the second half of the page. Okay, so it's going to print out the entire coordinates for all x and y coordinates in that parabola. So we'll close that. That's going to take us back to the main page. So again, you can use to compute your parabola. You can show the table. From this view also, you can select print preview, and you'll get a diagram of what the shape of the parabola is going to look like, plus the x and y coordinates. I hope this has helped. Have a good day.